I got us up into it this time. There ain't no easy way out there, bud. Guess maybe it's up through there. Daggone it. I don't see an easy way out. I think we came across that way. Does look like some kind of markings there. Oh, right there. That's a toe end of a squatch print. I can tell you why. I mean, if you look close, you can make out the toe indentions, and that big toe is always more prominent than the rest. At least this bunch is. It's crazy. All right, well.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like it, don't it?
Yeah.
I think you might have found one there, buddy.
Good.
Let's go on this way here. I think we came up through this way. Yep. Way of travel. Oh, look at here. I think I just found some intricate stuff here. This looks like it's some kind of mapping. Has to be. That's broke off there on either side. And then it comes down, and you got this intricate stuff going on here. Huh. If you ask me, that's some kind of mapping. It's always, well, not always, but it seems like a lot of times there's a stream to accompany this stuff. Stuff snapped off there. I don't know. Oh,
Huh?
looky there.
No.
Baby deer.
Deer.
Don't move. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. It's okay, little buddy. I won't hurt you. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful sight. Let's give it its space here. Let's go this way, man. Besides that, if mommy or daddy's around, I don't want to get rushed or whatever they do. This sure looks like this is strange. Yeah, I see that, but wait, this is all, oh, looky. Big X. It's a big old X right there. Huh. Well, that was pretty cool. Getting the little baby on there. A little fun. Yeah, the squatches must be the only things climbing this. You got it there, buddy? Okay. I know it's steep. Another X. Oh, look at there. Look how it's worked in here. It's jammed up in there. And this was broke off probably so it could be done. Oh, look at there. Maybe that's where it went. Crazy stuff in these areas. I tell you, some kind of mapping. There's that's most likely, I would say, a pointer to go down where we just came from. Man, these bugs are tearing me up, Gorney. Man. What's this over here? This looks like could be a blind or something. There's all the makings of a blind. Look how that's all set up in there. There's stuff broke off and placed. You see, there's the ends of some of it there. Or it's been jammed up in there. Some more. I gotta get out of here. The bugs are tearing me up. Let's go this way. I know we're heading the right direction, so. I wonder what these tags on the trees mean. Wow, man. Look how compressed these paths are. Crazy. There's one of them browned out leaf markers. So something is here close. Those are usually what I have found to be viewpoints. It might even just be that tree line there. I don't know. Or something I'm just overlooking. Alright, you guys. I'm still in the area of where that little one come out of the tree. Here's this, which is definitely looks like some kind of placement. And looky here. This big old branch. It just runs right up through there. But take a look up. There's nowhere for that to have come from. There's no way. And I'm going to tell you something. For the longest time, this entrance to the park has been closed off. You can't get in this way. I don't know if there's anything to that or if there's not. I've always gotten activity over this way. As a matter of fact, that whole wall, that whole ridge up through there is watcher area. I made a video on that last year. Man, these bugs are driving me nuts. Just trying to give that spot some attention because that's a good place for something to be hiding watching. But these bugs, man, I'm about to bug out myself. I was just walking up kind of toward on my way out. Looky here. That is looking to me like a tree's been brought down. That's fresh. We ain't had that kind of winds that I know of. Yeah, a tree's been brought down. Look at that. Man, that's a big old tree. A healthy one too. Look how green that is yet. What in the hell? There's the bottom of it. Where in the hell did it come from? That ain't nowhere around here. Watch yourself there, bud. Nowhere around here did this come from. There ain't no way. I don't see where it came from. I'm assuming it got brought in. I don't see anywhere on the ground where any sign of it. That didn't come from here. That's crazy. All I can figure is they're probably going to use it for something. Well, I'm down to just a couple minutes and I'm coming up on the triangle area. I'm going to exit my way out of here. So unless something comes up, I'll catch y'all the next time.